What are the names of the legendary birds? If you have ever wondered about the legendary birds in the Pokémon world, you are in for a treat. These Pokémon are iconic and have captivated trainers for years. So, what are their names? Let's find out together. The legendary birds consist of 3 powerful Pokémon, each representing a different elemental force. First up is Articuno, the ice and flying type Pokémon. Articuno is often referred to as the freeze Pokémon. It is known for its stunning blue feathers and its ability to control ice and cold air. Trainers love Articuno for its beauty and strength. Next, we have Zapdos, the electric and flying type Pokémon. Zapdos is recognized as the electric Pokémon. With its striking yellow and black design, it commands electricity and lightning. Trainers often seek Zapdos for its impressive speed and electric attacks. Finally, we have Moltres, the fire and flying type Pokémon. Known as the flame Pokémon, Moltres is characterized by its fiery plumage. This Pokémon has a strong connection to flames and heat, making it a favorite among trainers who enjoy powerful fire-type moves. Together, these 3 Pokémon are often called the legendary birds or the legendary bird trio. They share the flying type and are equally revered among legendary Pokémon. Each one represents a unique elemental force: ice, electricity, and fire. In addition to these 3, there is also Lugia, known as the diving Pokémon. While Lugia is not part of the original trio, it is closely associated with them and is sometimes referred to as their master. In recent games, new regional variants of the legendary birds have been introduced. For example, the Galarian forms of Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres have different typings, appearances, and abilities compared to their original forms from the Kanto region. When it comes to catching these legendary birds, knowing their elemental types can help you prepare your team. Using rock-type moves can be effective against them due to their flying type. However, be cautious of their secondary types, as they can provide resistances and weaknesses. These legendary birds are often found in various locations throughout the game world. You may need specific strategies or conditions to encounter and capture them. In summary, the legendary birds are Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. Each one is celebrated for its elemental powers and the challenge it presents to trainers. Happy catching!